And this is the Sony a6000 mirrorless camera. The Sony a6000 is the successor to the very popular Sony Alpha NEX6. It sits just above the Sony a5100 in the company's mirrorless lineup. In fact, the a6000 and a5100 are extremely similar, the biggest difference being the a6000's electric viewfinder and more extensive external controls missing from the cheaper a5100. The a6000 offers a 24.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Sony's Bionz X image processor. The biggest advancement over its predecessor is the vastly improved hybrid autofocus system featuring 25 contrast detect and 179 phase detect points that cover almost the entire frame. In fact, we found the a6000 to be class-leading when it comes to autofocus speed and accuracy in a large sensor mirrorless camera. The camera itself handles well with ample customizable buttons and click wheels for solid control, plus a quick menu. It offers a burst rate of 11 frames per second with subject tracking, full HD video capture at 1080 60p and 24p with clean HDMI output and Wi-Fi connectivity as well as NFC. Overall, this is an extremely well-rounded camera that offers class-leading features for a very reasonable price point.
The Canon EOS RP is a small, affordable, full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, built around Canon's new RF mount. Designed to be accessible and easy to use for first-time camera buyers, the 26-megapixel RP offers conventional controls and a good suite of stills and video features. These include dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, covering most of the image area, and 4K video at up to 30p. Face and eye detection autofocus modes are particularly useful for portraiture, making it easy to get perfectly focused pictures of people. A high-resolution 2.36 million dot OLED viewfinder and tilting touch-sensitive rear LCD panel make shooting easy in a variety of situations for both stills and video. The Canon EOS RP wouldn't be our first choice for shooting sports or fast action, with a maximum frame rate of 4 frames per second, but it's a fast and responsive camera in general use. The small body size, generous controls, and high-quality viewfinder make it a great camera for everyday shooting and travel, when paired with one of Canon's new RF zoom lenses.
I love taking cool pictures to post on social media. Photography has always been an interest for me, and my OMD makes it really easy for me to get great shots. This camera has a great look to it. It's small and easily fits in my bag, I always get compliments on the classic look it has when I'm carrying it around, and it's also lightweight too, that I can carry it along with me all day. This camera is really simple to turn on and shoot. If I do need more light, there's this cool built-in flash that's hidden right in the top of the camera. I truly do love this camera, because I don't have to think about the settings, I could just quickly take my shot. And auto mode picks those settings for me. It sees my subject, the scene, the light, and it picks the right settings so I capture perfect shots. My selfies are even super easy to grab with the image stabilization built right in. With the touchscreen on the back, it makes it simple for me to frame the shot. When I am looking to capture something a little bit more specific, I use the specialized modes to choose a scene that I want to shoot. I personally love taking pictures of my fun, cool-looking food. I capture sharp images with a perfectly blurred background. Once I'm done, I can simply click that shortcut button on the top of the camera and it takes me right back to the scene menu. Something really awesome about this camera are the built-in filters. Personally, my favorite filter is Bleach Bypass. It gives my shots or video an authentic and old film look that we all love to see on social media. This camera is so easy to use. It grows with me as I'm learning the basics of photography. And as I do become more comfortable, it introduces me to those techniques like HDR shooting and light trails for stars at night. Sharing my pictures on social media is effortless. The shots instantly sync with my Olympus app and transfer directly to my phone. I'm Jacqueline, and Olympus designed the perfect camera for me.